on the rainbow bus, let's go. Colors, letters, numbers in a row. Learning's fun, come sing with me. Clap your hands and laugh with glee. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for bear, waving hello. C is for car, zoom, zoom, zoom. D is for duck, in the pond it goes. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, look and see. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Colors on the bus for me and you. Learn with the rainbow bus, come ride. Letters, numbers, colors side by side. Sing along and clap your hands. Learning is fun across the lands. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, jumping all day. 7 little seats, we all cheer. Rainbow bus is here, the learning is near. Count the animals, 1, 2, 3. Colors of the rainbow we can see. Letters, numbers, shapes galore. Hop on the bus, there's so much more. Learn with the rainbow bus, come ride. Letters, numbers, colors side by side. Sing along and clap your hands. Learning is fun across the lands. B, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Rainbow bus takes us so high. Learning is fun. Give it a try.